Hey, what's going on guys? This is Sana here from the PC Mechanics, and today we'll be installing Windows Server 2025. So we will be obviously installing it in VMware Workstation Pro. So let's open that. We'll be going to File, New Virtual Machine, Typical, Next. Then we'll be selecting the installer disk image file ISO. You obviously need to have the ISO file, which will be linked down in the description, and you can download it from there. It's of, let's see, 7 gigabytes. We'll be opening that. Then next, it will be using easy install, by the way. You will see what that is. Next, we won't be installing a product key right now. We'll be going, you can go with anyone, it's your choice. The core one is the headless version. Headless version means it's only kind of the command prompt, the command line actually, not the prompt. We will give the name, password, it's your choice. I won't be giving a password. We'll be going in the data center with the GUI. Next, we will be manually activating it. Don't show. Yes. We can keep it at that. Let's change the location directory. We'll keep it at the default 60 gigs. It's more than enough. This we can leave it at default. Next, we will give it a little more RAM at 8 gigabytes, and also give it 4 cores should be enough. We'll virtualize this. You may not want to check the virtualized CPU performance counters. It may give you problems. Close, finish. It will power on automatically. It will install it by on its own because of easy install. We will use this one, the I don't have a product key. If you have a product key, you can obviously put that in here. Now it will install by itself, and you just have to wait and watch. Now we are at the restarting session. It has installed the VMware tools, so we will restart. We can go full screen now. It has installed. You can So Windows Server 2025 has been installed. You can see the server things, which obviously I don't understand. Now you can enjoy your Windows Server, you can obviously see the default wallpaper is a bit different. Also, just a heads up, I would not recommend you install this on a regular computer because it's not really worth it. If you buy it, it's like $6,000 for one license. Windows and Pro and Home is all you need. So I'll be seeing you in the next video, and till then, peace out.